Hi, good day. Today we are going to learn tangents to circles, part 1, with me, teacher Erna. Tangents to circles. Our learning standard is to recognize and describe the tangents to circles. In the diagram on the left, point T on the wheel will touch only the root once when it makes a complete circle. The root serves as a tangent to the wheel which is round, and the point T is the point of tangency when it touches the root. In the diagram on the left, straight lines PQ and RS each touches the circle at point X and point Y, while straight line UV passes through point A and point B on the circle. Thus, PQ and RS are tangents to the circle. X and Y are points of tangency of PQ and RS respectively. UV is not a tangent. A and B are not points of tangency of UV. Tangent to a circle is a straight line that touches the circle at only one point. The point of contact between tangent and the circle is the point of tangency. Are all straight lines and points shown in the diagram on the right tangents to the circle and points of tangency? State the reason for your answer. PQ and TU are tangents to the circle because they touch the circle at only one point. Point E and point U are points of tangency of PQ and TU respectively. RS is not a tangent to the circle because it passes through 2 points on the circle. Hence, point F and point G are not points of tangency of RS. MN is not a tangent to the circle because it will touch 2 points on the circle if extended. Thus, point M is not a point of tangency. Mind test 6.3a. In the diagram below, identify points and lines which are tangents, points of tangency, not a tangent, not a point of tangency. State the reasons for your answer. This is a circle with its tangent, which touch to a point at the circumference. The radius of a circle that intersects with tangents to the circle at the point of tangency will form a 90-degree angle with the tangent. This is the 90 degree, this is the radius, and this is the tangent. Look at example 15. The diagram on the right shows a circle with center O, which meets the straight line ABC at point B only. Calculate the value of x. Calculate the value of x. Solution. Line ABC is a tangent to the circle, and it touches the circle at point B. Thus, the angle OBA is equal to 90 degree. Angle OBA is 90 degree. Angle AOB, angle AOB, angle AOB here is plus to 138 degree, will be equivalent to 180 degree because they are straight line. Thus, angle AOB is 42 degree. X plus angle AOB is 90 degree. Thus, x is 48 degree. Please do Mind Test 6.3b. Bye-bye.